All right, this is a quick email. I am email 5 in Handshake. I just emailed Sebastian at Razor. So he's got a mail server for Handshake set up that I think is in very early stage. I'm the fifth user. It is Monday, February 15th, Asia time, 2021. So he made a video. He didn't put voiceover. He's pretty busy, and a lot of these people are amazing developers, and I'm just here as this kind of like middle person trying to bridge. That's what Skyinclude is about. So I'm going to try to make my quick video, at least as a non-technical person, to explain this, going over it with Sebastian's first video and then on my own 2 cents over that. So there's no audio on his. So you have to open up Terminal, and then you have to do the command for his service is go into Terminal and go SSH space register at hmail.app. That's his service. He's using, allowing us to use this right now. Hopefully he makes some money doing this, and we all can benefit together. So basically, then you would say what email you would put, your Handshake name, either sld.tld, but a lot of the cool people are using the TLD only, just a Handshake name only. I did forum at handshake.mercenary, and then it will I guess it will check it, and it will give you the MX records. For this, you can't do that currently, at least in 2021 February 15th at Namebase's DNS. They don't have MX records. I think Razor is talking to them, and I'll be talking to them. Also, Sin Papeles doesn't have it yet, MX Records, on his hosting service. He has other settings, but he says he'll be getting that soon. But what we did was at Handshake Mercenary, we were using Fernando's private name server system right now. That's how we got the SSH set up too, or SSL set up too. So basically, we just asked Fernando to help us set this MX record in handshake.mercenary. And then he did that. Let's keep on going. So you put that in there. Hopefully there's more easier ways for owners of Handshake TLDs to do this. So he's doing that on this side, and he has his own name server set up. So he's pointing to his own name server. So again, these people are a little bit more technical than maybe me, definitely me, than maybe some of you. So then you would try it again after you set the MX records. Then you would need to make a text record to show that you own it. And then you would add that too. And so again, those are things you would do depending on where you have your DNS, just like a regular domain where you are using, where you point your domain. In Handshake, you would set those settings on there, and you would get your password, and you would get your email. And one thing he says is and then you change your password. So he's changing his password now, so that from that default. So he of course recommends changing your password. So now he's going into Thunderbird. So I downloaded Thunderbird as well, because I usually use like Gmail client, or actually use Help Scout a lot. So I use the same thing. So then you set up your name, your email, your password, and then you click configure manually. I think mine was advanced settings, hmail.app. hmail.app here on S incoming outgoing. Again, this is Thunderbird settings 993, ports 96465, normal. And then you see he's taking out the at, and it's dots. So your email name dot sld dot tld, or if it's just tld level, it would be just dot tld. So then he's emailing his other email address. See, that's just at the tld level, just the root, and he's emailing it, and that's it. So I wanted to show some things. So he's also posted in Handshake Mercenary. There have also, Neil's been also helping with this in the Namer community and Discord, and he put some info. So I'm also trying to help document this at handshake.mercenary. So I put Neil's input here, and Razor did a post called Email Service, and if you read it, you'll see him and I going back and forth, a few others. But essentially, this is the settings I just showed you from his videos, a screenshot. And I set up my name is, but my email address is forum@handshake.mercenary. You can see here that was from forum@handshake.mercenary. That is a handshake name. .mercenary is not on ICANN DNS. And he replied, and I'm number 5. Rithvik, I am Fernando, Neil, and Sebastian are the first 4. I'm number 5. And I think right now it's in, you have to get permission from him, or use it, or of course with great power comes great responsibility. Let's not be spammers or do bad things. He's actually saying he's even going through in Gmail when he sends it to Gmail addresses. But you notice here, this is me trying to get it set up for my Skyinclude, which was at Namebase, but I couldn't do it yet. He's also saying he's doing that, and you can see some of my testing here and learning and going back and forth. Fernando helped me set it up, and Rithvik's been, as always, helping so much in the community. I think this is getting it. Fernando says he's going to basically make it where if you point your handshake name to his Sin Papeles hosting or DNS name server, you can update this yourself. And there's some other discussions of others, but it worked. It just got to work a couple hours ago. This video is not too technical, but it's basically saying Sebastian.Razor, he's making this service. I think it's totally free now, but he does have his HNS name or address for donations, and he has a great tutorial as well. So it's awesome that he's helped, and he received my email, and then he replied. Let me go into Thunderbird. So here's the email, and I'm just using this for Handshake. So maybe try shooting me an email. I think it won't work from your normal email. I think you have to use a Handshake email, but we'll be using this for the forum for now. It's really cool. So that's what Skyinclude is trying to do, is include you into the new sky, into the Web 3. Decentralized web is coming true. Past 1 year now in Handshake, and now there's emails working. And this is just one small step for man, one big step for mankind. Let's make the internet great again. Thanks again. This will be on skyinclude.com/email. Thank you.